Yeah, it's me. Right, patrons. Trevor here, Summit or Nothing, you know that. Video from the trail today is just a local walk. Just checking I am filming, because I've just filmed this once and then realised the button hadn't been pressed. So it is. Yeah, so I've come for a local walk in some local woods. Lovely. The first day of the next lockdown. So I missed the opportunity to get out for a camp, which is a shame because it's been such a beautiful week. Lovely crisp mornings. And this is the woodland where I've chosen to come. Really peaceful, really tranquil. But look what I've been doing. I come out to test the OneTigris. Make myself a hot coffee on the trail. Little wood stove. Had a bit of a burn in. I got this cheaps. I don't know, my mum bought me this. I've never really used it. So I've just boiled some water up in there. Tastes real sort of chemically. So it's not a very good set. I have ordered another one, but it just hasn't turned up yet. So hope you're all keeping well and safe. You're probably all still working, if you like me. Still in and out of people's houses. The kids are still at school. It doesn't feel the same as last time, does it? Lots of traffic on the roads. Like the little den. It's good, isn't it? I won't go in there though. That's the wilder people living there. They might be spying on me. But it's a beautiful woods. Do you want to have a look? And back to the camp. So we've had a few new patrons, so welcome to all of you who've decided to join us. Much appreciate all your support. It's been really great. Really, yeah, I say the word humbling all the time, but it is. I can't believe people want to support me and this little channel of ours and Nath. I think next year, as soon as we're sort of allowed to travel, we're going to try and do some really great adventures and get out to do some different things. And you lot have given us a bit leeway to do that. I'm sort of stashing finances aside for that. I think I will help Nathan when he decides what tent he's going to go for. We'll sort that out as well, so he hasn't got to put his hand in pocket unless he goes. He's got expensive taste is the only trouble. If he starts choosing tents that are like 500-600 quid, I'll give him a little bit towards it. I don't like spending that sort of money on me, you know what I mean? Anyway, the OneTigris stove worked really well. Boiled the water fairly quick. It was easy to load up, easy to light. I make it look easy, you know, what can I say? But just got to wait for it to cool down now, haven't I, before I can pack it up without burning my fingers. And the Facebook patrons page is up and running. A little bit of a dilemma to get it going. Typical Trev, but yeah, now that's going. It's really great looking at all your pictures and seeing each of your photos and where you're going. So now we're sort of back to local walks. It'd be great for you to share your local walks with us. Show us some of the scenery near you. And then in future, you know, we can use this page as a hub. If there's others of you in the same areas, you can get in contact with each other, maybe meet up for walks when we're allowed, what have you. It'd be great to do something together again. Ah, cursed, it's 2020, hey. Oh, I did want to show you as well, while we're talking about what your funding's going for. I've bought myself this new microphone. It's a Rode mic. It's got sort of a double clip don't know what you call it. The old one only had one, and it bounced like hell, and it made a lot of noise, and it wasn't very good. The Rode mic wasn't very good in the wind either, and to be honest, this one's much the same. Our old method of actually sticking washing up foam, you know, washing up sponges over the microphones seems to be a lot better at cutting out wind than these things. And this mic, I had to buy the extra sock to go over it as well, because it didn't come with a wind sock. But yeah, this time I should have been in the Himalayas at the moment. So that was originally penned for this couple of weeks. So a bit disappointing, but next year now we'll soon get out there, have a look at some proper mountains. So yeah, hopefully this time next year things are better. So I've got this year now to sort of get my kit list together, proper lightweight, proper warm. So I am going to have to start going into sort of a bit more expensive gear to make sure I'm fully prepared for what's ahead of me out there. Anyway, I'm going to finish my coffee chocolate actually. Get on road, carry on my walk. Anyway, look after yourselves, be nice to one another, and get out as much as you can, enjoy the outdoors, but no camping. We're not allowed to camp, not for a month, and then it will be release us all just in time so we can hoard through the high streets for the Christmas shopping and spread the virus at a quicker rate than it's ever been spread before. Oh, ever the optimist. See you later.